Hi guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to week 2 of the 52 weeks project, and I'm going to put together this one very quickly with you. I didn't know which pictures I was going to use, and it snowed on Saturday, so I have a whole bunch of pictures now to put on this layout. I've got too many pictures, so I'm going to pull in my secret weapon here. I'm going to pull in flip-flaps. These are excellent when you want to add more pictures on a single layout without making it too busy. This 3x4 mat, it was really nice, and you could definitely use it that way, but I'm just going to swap it out for a 3x3 mat since they're already cut and ready to go. So I'm going to miter the corners here, and I really should have pulled out my non-stick scissors, but this will work just fine. You don't have to do this step, it's just one of the things that I like to do. I'm going to add a little bit of charcoal ink on the white edges of my darker cardstock. That's just something that I like to do. You can skip this step altogether, but I just find that it looks a little bit more complete. So I was talking with my VIPs about this project because we're all playing along together, and the question came up, are you an event scrapbooker or an everyday scrapbooker? This is definitely an everyday project. So I'm going to challenge myself to take pictures and be with you here for 52 weeks. So hopefully we will not run out of pictures to scrapbook, and I think that it's going to be a nice little journey that we embark together. So here I'm just going to position my 3x4, and there I've got my little flip-flap. I'm going to add my 3x3 picture at the bottom. So I'm kind of staying true to those sketches that I have on the right hand side. I did do my journaling on my computer. I'm just going to sneak it here right underneath my photo mat, and you can tell that the journaling is very minimal at this point. I might dive into more journaling, but I wanted to keep this project simple because we're going to be doing this all year round. I didn't want to overstress myself with the perfect pictures, the perfect journaling, and all of that good stuff. So I'm using leftover scraps. I'm literally taking pictures day by day and scrapping them live with you, so you'll see the progression of this book, hopefully to inspire you and pick different things that are important to you on that particular week. So these snowflakes, they were in my stash. I often do doubles and triples, so these were absolutely in my stash, and I was really happy about that. I'm going to pop the small little snowflakes here with 3D foam tape. As you can see, I did stay true to that layout. I did use 2 photo placement, but I did bring in flip-flaps because I had more pictures that week because of that great snowfall. So you can always add more pictures, you just have to bring in flip-flaps to help you along with your project. So I'm going to leave you here with a couple of still shot, and here's a close-up of the completed page. I did add a little sticker. I found that off one of my sticker sheets, so it was definitely a scrap. So here is the completion of 1 and 2. I'll be back with layout number 3. Don't forget to take pictures. Thanks for watching.